Hello, my name is Hugo Madeira and I'm a dentist from Lisbon. Nowadays, I think it's almost impossible to don't go digital, because we are living in a world where digital transformation is our daily basis. So in dentistry is not exception. I think for my team and for me, one of the main things that I can tell you is the communication. It's much easier, much faster to work with the digital, because we start with the digital impressions and then the files go to the lab, and then we print, we mill, we do everything since the planning till the final restoration. Of course, for me it's having more innovation, to have the cutting edge technology in my house. It's really important for us to develop our business. So let's start for the comfort for the patient. Obviously, with a digital impression, it's much more comfortable than with the conventional one, with the alginates and the silicone. We can show to our patients the smile design projects, how the patient will stay at the final of the treatment. It's really good for the communication, and of course, we give to the patient a lot of transparency. The patient is seeing what we are doing in every step of the treatment. If we, for example, if we plan a surgery with a software, we are delivering a better result, because this is predictable, previsible. Okay, and for the patient and for us, we know where we start and we know where this ends. The impact that digital dentistry have in our daily outcomes is huge, because we improve our work. So we are not doing the same thing that we today that we did 2 years ago, 3 years ago. We want to give a better result to our patients, a more precise treatment, a quicker treatment, less invasive, more comfortable in our daily basis. Of course, with all of this digital workflow, we can give a same-day solution treatment. We can put the implant and put the crown or the provisional in the same day. This is really good for the patient and a huge advantage. And of course, we can plan it. We can plan it with our softwares, with Implant Studio or Co-Diagnostic, and then do the guided surgery that puts the implant where we really want. That's no mistakes. I think the greatest thing of the digital is to avoid the human mistakes. And then we will have time to the emotional part and for the people. For those who not coming to this wave, I think they will lose track, of course, because patients will start to look for this. They want to see the cutting-edge innovation in their doctors, in their dental offices, of course, and they want quicker results. And so I think we should innovate and we should improve our work during our whole life. And this is the evolution of dentistry today. We are digital with our cell phones, with our computers, with everything in our life. So in our profession, we should also be. I started to work with Straumann 4 years ago, and it has been an amazing journey. I started because of the implants, of course, because they are implants with a lot of studies, a credible company, and I really start because of the love for the BLT. But then started a relationship, and when I know Straumann, they know me, and when all of this digital thing started, I think it was obviously Straumann is a total solution provider. So you have everything that a dentist needs in our daily practice. So everything makes sense to me, and I think that the most important for a dentist is to have a support for the company that work with him. So I think I have all the support, and my colleagues that also work with Straumann, they share of this opinion.